Hello everyone, in this video lecture we are going to solve some assertion and reasoning type question answer. Here first one assertion. In Young's experiment, the fringe width for dark fringe is different from that for white fringes. assertion false है क्योंकि जो फ्रिंज विड्थ होगी वो सेम होगी फॉर वाइट एंड डार्क फ्रिंजेस के लिए. So reason, in Young's double slit experiment, the fringes are formed with a source of white light, then only black and bright fringes are absorbed. So यहाँ पे रीज़न भी फॉल्स है. जब हमारे पास जो सोर्स ऑफ लाइट जो होगा वाइट लाइट का होगा, इन दैट केस सेंटर में जो होगा हमारे पास वाइट फ्रिंज फॉर्म करेगी और इसके अराउंड जो होगी वो कलर फ्रिंजेस फॉर्म होंगी. So here reason is also false. So here assertion is false and reason is false. मतलब both are false. So here D option is the correct option होगी if both assertion and reason are false. Next question, assertion. Color spectrum is seen when we look through a muslin cloth. Yes, assertion is true. Reason, it is due to the diffraction of white light on passing through the fine slits. So reason भी true है. Also reason is the correct explanation of assertion. So यहाँ पे A option जो correct option होगी. Next question, assertion. A famous painting was painted by not using brush strokes in a usual manner, but rather a myriad of small color dots. In this painting, the color you seen at any given place on painting change as you move away. So here assertion is true. Reason, the angular separations of adjacent dots changes with the distance from the painting. So here reason is also true. Also reason is the correct explanation of assertion. So here A option is the correct option. Because resolving power जो होती है it is 1 over limit of resolutions, that is x over d. This is equal to 1.22 lambda upon d. For the human eye, the resolving power or the angular separations of the object change as the distance from the object changes. Thus when we are close to the painting, our eye can pick out of separate colors of dots. When we move away from the painting, our eye blend the dots and we see different colors. Next question, assertion. The clouds in sky generally appear to be white. जो क्लाउड होते हैं स्काई में जनरली अपीयर हमें आते हैं वाइट. assertion ट्रू है. रीजन, डिफ्रैक्शन ड्यू टू क्लाउड्स इज एफिशिएंट इन इक्वल मेजर ऑफ ऑल वेवलेंथ्स. सो हियर रीजन जो है फॉल्स होगा. सो यहाँ पे assertion ट्रू, रीजन फॉल्स. सो यहाँ पे सी इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. इसके लिए द क्लाउड्स कंसिस्ट ऑफ डस्ट पार्टिकल and water droplets. The size of the dust particle and water droplets is very large as compared to the wavelength of the incident light from the sun. So there is very small scattering of light. Therefore, the white light received through the cloud has all colors of light. That is, we receive almost white light. Therefore, clouds are generally white. Next question, assertion. Standard optical diffraction gratings cannot be used for discriminating between different X-rays wavelength. So यहाँ पे assertion जो है true है. Reason, the grating species is not of the order of X-ray wavelength. So here reason भी also true है. Also reason is the correct explanation of assertion. So यहाँ पे एक option जो है correct option होगी. Next question, assertion. The pattern and position of the fringes always remain same even after introductions of a transparent medium in the path of one of the slit. So assertion जो fall होगा. Reason, the central phase is bright or dark depend upon the initial phase difference between two coherent sources. So reason is true है. So here assertion is false, reason is true. D जो होगी correct option होगी. Next question, assertion. To observe the diffraction of light, the size of the obstacle or aperture should be of the order of 10 raised to power minus 7 meter. So assertion true है. Reason 10 raised to power minus 7 meter is the order of wavelength of visible light. So here reason is also true. Also reason is the correct explanation of assertion. So यहाँ पे A option जो है वो correct option होगी.